All right, party people, we are back at it with another installment in the special exercise series. Today, I am showing you the Viking Press. This exercise is being performed on a Fortis squat machine. Now, normally, you put your shoulders on those pads where you can see my hands are, and you squat down. This can be done either facing the machine or facing the wall. But I'm using this machine to train my shoulders and triceps, essentially turning into an upper body lift. I like this exercise because it allows you to overload your joints and muscles and ligaments in the sense that you are going to be lifting weights heavier than you normally would be able to lift since stability is not a factor. That being said, I do sometimes use this movement as a primary movement, as I did on this particular day. I worked up to 2 top sets of 8 plates. I was only able to get 1 rep per set, even though I tried to pump fake a couple times on both those sets. But I went up to a single, and then I proceeded to drop down basically a plate at a time, and then turned it into volume work. I believe I got 7 reps with 7 plates, followed by 12 reps with 6 plates, and then finally I believe 20 reps with 5 plates. And this was done with very little rest in between and just basically flushing a lot of blood into that muscle and creating a pump session more than anything. The key to this exercise, as well as basically any exercise, comes down to effort. You want to be diligent and focused in terms of what it is that you're performing in any given movement and know why it is that you're performing that movement. Also, to the newer lifters, you basically want to turn yourself into a machine where every single time you approach the barbell, the machine, or whatever exercise you're about to perform, the same way each and every time. You will have to have a routine, training yourself to be as efficient as possible, to be able to recruit as many motor units as possible, reliably. This will mitigate the chances of injury, and you're also training your central nervous system to be able to perform in a reliable fashion, where you can predict the output that you are about to produce. You might be asking yourself, is he trying to get stronger, or is he trying to build his body? The answer is yes. In this workout, you saw me use singles as well as sets of 20 in order to achieve my goals. I don't think you should shy away from volume, and I don't think you should shy away from low rep sets either. It all has a place. You just have to be smart about how you implement it. I'll make other videos addressing how to increase instability in any given movement, but that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.